Okay, so I've got an export of all of our information of the last month from our ticketing system. Now I've got all the meat or the transcripts from everything. I've got all the phone call data and also all the ticketing system data and export from that external system. Now what I've done is I've placed that into a SharePoint document library. Now, what I want to get Cowork to do for me is actually just reason over this data without having to upload it into a Cowork session. So let's have a look and see what we can do here. I'm going to paste this into the chat, into the prompt. So I'm going to use WorkIQ here. So I'm going to point at my site. So if I go and look at and include my SharePoint skills site, I'm going to say there's a library called ticketing system. Can you please create an interactive HTML report based on the files there? All right. So I've given it everything that I want it to create, right? I've got my sections here, operational performance. I'm just going to expand all of these so that we can have a bit of a better visual as to what we are creating. All right. So we can see here that I've got all of my sections, right? And I'm going to just let Cowork do this work for me. But I'm not just going to leave it there. I'm going to say after you've completed let's say after you've created the report, please create a folder in the same library and call it May 26, 2026 and move all the files into that folder, please. Then I'm going to say from a branding and branding and design perspective, please look in that same site in the default documents library and get the design on the MD file and use that. Okay. So now I'm also including a design element to the generation of this report, but I'm not uploading anything in here. I'm getting Copilot Cowork to look at this SharePoint site, go to these two different libraries, and then do the work for me. All right. So I'm going to let that go. And let's come back and see what actually happens at the end of this process. All right, so we're partway through this process and we're now archiving the files. So the dashboard's been created and now we're in the process of archiving the files. So we need to allow this tool to run. So I need to allow for the create folder action, right? So that tool has now been allowed. So now Cowork is going to create that folder so that we can archive those files to that particular folder itself, right? So if we just jump back into the ticketing system library here, I'm just going to refresh this and let's just see if it's been created yet. So we'll refresh, there's the folder. And now what Cowork is doing is moving those 22 files into that folder. So again, we need to approve a GRAS call. So I'm going to always approve that GRAS call. And now that is going to move, right? So let's just keep refreshing. I'll just jump back over to my SharePoint site and here, it's still in the process of moving, continuing the file moves. We've got 11 more to go. All right. So we are almost there. So you can see on the right-hand side here, along with the plan that Cowork has come up with, we've got the allowed tools that we've allowed there. And also in the output folder, we've got our HTML report. And so if I just jump back into here, we'll refresh that now. And that is just about done. So we've got our May 2026 folder. If I jump into there, there's all of our files that have just been archived, right? So let me just jump back and we should be good to go. All right. So task completed, still archiving, but let's grab our HTML dashboard. So I'm going to download this. I'm going to grab it and let's have a look at what Cowork actually created for us. All right, so here is the expanded view, and you can see when I keep scrolling down, we've got all of our section areas that I wanted Cowork to do for us. So there's our operational performance. And again, my navigation is a sticky header here, and I can go backwards and forwards throughout this full report and have a look at the detail of all of these charts and graphs that I've got. Okay, so I've just handed and I've used Cowork to look at files inside of a SharePoint document library, reason over that data, and then give it exactly the reporting that I want, right? So if we go back to my prompt here, you can see that the branding and themes been adhered to because I gave it that design MD file. It found that in the document library. All I needed to do was point CoWork at the right site, and then it has gone through, found the right document library that has got all the information that I want to report on. Plus, it's also found the design MD file that I've generated in the other document library as well. And it has put together this brilliant report, right? Complete with charts and graphs and stats and commentary. And have a look at this heat map here. So ticket type versus agent heat map too, right? Keep scrolling down. I've got everything that I needed to do. Now, imagine being able to do that on a schedule. So let's say that you're exporting your data out into a SharePoint document library, and then you've got your new files in there. And then all CoWork needs to do is look at the new files that have been added. And then at the end of the process and the reporting, after it's done their dashboard, it then moves that and archive those files into a separate folder that you specify. All right. So we're moving away from chat-based experiences with CoWork into a more delegation mindset. So being able to delegate these tasks out into CoWork is going to really improve your output as well. So thanks for watching.